When someone's missing one tooth, and we'll say it's a front tooth, it's in a highly aesthetic area. You can see it. The greatest compliment you can be given is to create a new tooth with the illusion that it's alive, that it's just growing right out of the skin. It looks just like its partner. This can be the most difficult challenge in implant dentistry, to replace one missing tooth. Some of the factors that, while we have lots of tools in our chest, the best way is to see you before the tooth's out. Why? Because we start to have bone that's lost. What patients don't realize is when we lose bone, we also lose skin. We lose volume of skin. And all that helps that tooth. The benefits of early replacement after tooth loss with implants is that it's going to keep your smile. It's going to keep your other teeth from shifting. It's going to keep your other teeth from breaking. It's going to keep your other teeth from developing periodontal disease as likely. It's going to keep your other teeth from becoming loose. So there's so many benefits to replacing those missing teeth. It's going to improve your bite. It's going to keep your joint healthier. We don't talk much about joints anymore, but that joint has to have support. And when you have all of your teeth, your joint has support. When you have half of your teeth, there's not as much support. We get more arthritis in the joint. We get more popping and clicking and pain, and other problems arise. So replacing those missing teeth has so many benefits long term. Multiple teeth, you'll also keep facial form. So you'll look better. You'll look more youthful. You'll look like yourself.